In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how quickly and simply you can use badges to check that the homework tasks that you've set on Languages Online Extra have been completed. Yesterday, I set up some homework with a badge, the Olympique de Marseille badge for my Year 7 group, and assigned that, and I'm going to have a quick check now to see how they're getting on with it. They won't all have completed it yet, as it's not all due, but there should be 32 having completed it by the deadline, hopefully. So I'm going to go into my course, and once in my course, you can see at the top here I've used the homework notification section to indicate clearly which exercises I want them to do. I'm going to click here the cogwheel, and then I'm going to click More, and then Manage Badges. And then on the Manage Badges screen you can see that these are earlier things that we've done and they've all been completed. All the students have completed the tasks. Let's go down to Olympique de Marseille. There it is. You can see the tasks that I've assigned for that badge, and so far 14 of the students have completed the task. Now if I click on that 14, it will then list the students who have completed the task, and here's a screenshot of that with the names removed. You can see the date the badge was issued and the time the work was done. And if we click the little arrows here, we can then order them, rather than via the time it was done, we can order them by a surname or first name, up or down, and then it's very, very simple to see which students have completed the work. So for example, I often find that there's 29 or 30 of them have completed it. Put them in alphabetical order, I can then very quickly see which students are missing from the list and which ones need chasing or reminding. And there we go, very quickly and very simply, using the badges, I've checked that the homework task that I set has been completed.